on this little tuning fork idea here, I want to try and show you what it means to create a full round. I'll show you how I used to do it, and this is not how you do it, but I would hold control, grab my two surfaces, and then try and bring them about as close as I can get them to one another. And say, yep, from a front view, that looks like a full round. And that was probably okay. I mean, what's that size there? It's a fraction of 1/100th of a millimeter. So that's okay. The problem came when someone after me went to take my model, and they went to change that from a 90-degree slot to, let's say, 90 millimeter slot to a 60 millimeter slot. And now all of a sudden I've got this sharp point right there, and it no longer goes as deep as I wanted it to. So then they have to go through and try and figure out why my rounds aren't working. So if you intend to have a full round there, let me go ahead and delete that. If you want to have a full round there, you still use the same round feature. Grab your two opposing surfaces. I'm going to hold control, select my second surface. And then if I look at this dialog box here, it's looking for a third surface as a driving surface. So I'm going to select that third surface. I'm releasing control, and it automatically puts that full round in there. And now if someone goes and they're going to change this from 60 to, let's say, 90, the way I had it before, you would find a flat in between there and maintain those two rounds I put in. Now it knows I'm intending to put a full round, so it goes ahead and just follows that geometry. So hopefully you find that useful. Another thing, if you want to do multiple full rounds, so let's do that on some of these top edges here. Let's grab this surface, select this as my driving surface. You can see it's throwing a full round around this tower here. And it's created one set. If I want to do a second one, I can't really hold control and select my next surface sets. But if I release control and select this as one of my two opposing surfaces, now I'm going to hold control, grab the opposing surface, release control, select the next one. You can see where it's created two sets. And you could go through and you could keep doing that. Let's say I want to put a third data set in here. Make this my driving surface. It is possible to do multiple full rounds in the same feature. Whether or not you want to or not, it's usually better to break those out as separate rounds unless they're all related somehow. That way people aren't searching through different round features to try and find the one they're looking for. So, and again, with this, if I say, okay, if I change something on this original extrusion here, let's edit this. Let's say instead of making that 250, let's make it 245. Or let's make it smaller, say 230. You can see this is still a full round. This is still a full round, and these are both still full rounds. So it just makes for a nice, more robust model, especially if that's what you're intending, is that those always remain full rounds. Maybe it's a design requirement or a tooling requirement. It's very nice for the next person that grabs your model if it's using the full round feature that CREO has built in. So hopefully you found this useful and you're able to avoid some of the pitfalls I've done. So I'll talk to you later.